What is up, y'all? Introducing y'all to our new vlogging slash anything automobile pretty much channel. We always get asked why don't we start a channel. We're always doing a bunch of random stupid shit. So this is us. It's a channel between friends, family. So yeah, just watch this shit. Shit's funny. Let's go run. Ew. Our way to Rouse to go get some munchies. Get the munchies. Alright, shit's off. Fire. This should look like the Taco Bell.
Is that Taco Bell?
Yeah, I guess that's fire. Haki? Alright. It'll beat as fuck. And we got the Mamalona right here. You know what I'm saying? Oh, it'd be good if I opened it up, huh? Son of a bitch. Successful Ralph's trip. Oh yeah. Ugly ass. Ew.
I'm telling you, I'm probably asleep.
You don't even want to see him in HB.
And can I get another one, medium, with whip?
Okay, would that be all?
Can I make that 2 with whip?
You want both of them with whip or?
It's gonna be 3 total, so 2 with whip and 1 without.
Okay.
What did she say?
Yeah, but
No, bitch, I want 3. You got it? Yeah, right?
So they're 12.36.
It's good food.
Never seen a $50 bill. Ooh. Smacks.
You don't feel like you get less without the whipped cream?
Some big ass coffee and tripping on. What that shit taste like?
Puro pinche diabetes.
Damn.
Chingón. Neta, pasadito de verga. Qué rico. Delicioso.
What should it remind you of?
Un pinche panecito que me comí en un hotel una vez.
Low-key? Now that you say that?
You know what I'm talking about.
Yup. The ones from the...
The fucking buffet.
Yup.
The little breads. With
Yup.
cream on top. or
The
something?
coffee buffet.
Yeah,
Yup.
the coffee bread.
Dios,
Going to
PayPal.
Dodge, bro.
What does it do?
Working on the Rammy.
Damn, fool, leave that shit alone already, dog. I'm not gonna be able to catch up to it when I get my diesel.
Oh yeah.
Let the vlog know what you're gonna get, Pri.
Let them know.
I don't want to say because then it doesn't happen.
What are you trying to get?
And then they're gonna comment on YouTube. Didn't that motherfucker say he was gonna get a diesel?
True.
That nigga rocking a Dos Patas.
Dos patas.
Sheesh, from the caramel macchiato smack.
Alright, so we just got back from the Dodge dealership. We're working on my brother's truck right now. I'm not really doing much. He's the one that's doing everything. Let me see. You taking both seats out?
Yeah.
What are you doing? You're just finishing off the paint on this?
Yep.
Alright, yeah, so basically what he's doing, because this was brown at once, and he did a whole installation. We're probably going to upload that one too. And yeah, so we're going to finish off this paint because it needs another coat. Taking off the seats. We already took one off. It's right here. Yeah, this fool did a lot to the car. So since nothing's going on, I'm probably going to just edit a few clips right now. I'm gonna do a sick little montage of him working, and we'll pick it up when this was done. so we're basically done. We just installed the seats. The seats are sick. Damn.
It's a brand new racing Recaro. I don't think you lost character to the truck.
Bro. Man, you're dropping stupid weight on this. This is lightweight now.
600 horsepower.
You can take that bad boy out whenever you want.
I'm taking a track in next week.
Alright guys, that's it for today's vlog. We'll have more daily content coming at you. We're most likely gonna have 2 videos in a week. And yeah, we always do crazy stuff, fun stuff.
Crazy. This is not crazy.
We don't do crazy stuff.
I mean, you want to see crazy? Look at this phone now.
Alright then guys, thank you for watching. And yeah, see you next time.